Let's talk about windows that are the most safest for your house. When it comes to a replacement window and it is all about safety to you, you are going to want two things. One, you're gonna want a window lock that cannot be jimmied, so anti-jimmy lock, meaning you cannot from the outside of your house take a putty knife and jimmy a lock open. Then there are other windows where you can actually finagle that. You can actually get back behind, jimmy a lock open. If you can do this, this window is no good for you. The other is going to be the type of glass that you're using in the window, okay? So if you're using annealed glass, it's strong, it's better than your original windows, but you can still break it quite easily. Tempered glass on the surface is 4 times stronger than annealed glass. Annealed glass is gonna be the majority of the windows that you see out. But when they break and they shard into pieces that can cut you and hurt you pretty bad. Okay, with the tempered glass, 4 times stronger on the surface of the glass. So it's gonna take more of a whack to get that glass to break. Finally, let's talk about laminated glass. You've heard me talk about it before, let's talk about it again. Laminated glass is the same type of glass that is on your car windshield. If you hit something on the road very, very hard, chances are it's going to ricochet off, unless it's a very sharp, jagged point, but it will bounce off and you'll see like, whoa, how did that work? Well, because there's a lamy piece of glass, a coating that's between 2 panels of glass, and what that does is it just keeps, it's impact resistant. It's great. These are gonna be hurricane grade windows in the East Coast and in the South and places where you're gonna get hurricanes. Windows will package them up and call them hurricane style windows. Out here in California, it's impact resistant. It's going to be great against infiltration, people coming into your home, trying to break into your house.
That's my TV! No crap, that's why I'm freaking stealing it. I'm calling the cops.
These windows are hard to break into. It takes so many attempts to try to get past that. That's going to be the king of all when it comes to, security in your house. Anti-jimmy locks, and the other is going to be laminated glass. It's expensive, okay guys? But if it's very important for you to have windows that are very hard to break into, go with that. Laminated glass. Okay guys, hopefully this has helped you. If you have any other questions, you can reach out to us in the comment section, leave a note, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.